there's a girl stuck here. I got this. So you got
Save me, Mommy!
Okay, I need to save this girl. Let me get her out of it.
I'm going in.
No. Throw out. Go.
No, I don't want to
Just say hi. Just say hi.
Hi, save me, Mommy!
Turn around. Turn around using your hand. Hand. There you go. Coming back.
I'm going away, Mommy! I don't know how to do this yet.
Just go this way. There you go.
I just got hooked by something. Come on, Mommy!
Ooh, it's too deep in here. Come.
Yes, you won't save me.
Wait, let me put down the camera first. You won't go anywhere there, okay?
I want to go. Junior can hold that
Junior, would you go get Kate and pull her back, please?
Okay, but if I don't step on the branches.
No, step on the grass. It's soft.
Help me, Junior.
Don't go around. That's it. That's a good boy. Go around the grass.